Need to back up your saved passwords from Google Chrome? Whether you're switching browsers, setting up a new device, or just want to store them safely, exporting your Chrome passwords is easy, but hidden behind a few settings. Before we start, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple browser and privacy tutorials like this. Let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Chrome Password Manager. Click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Go to Settings, Autofill Password Manager, or type Chrome//settings/passwords directly into the address bar. Step 2. Export your passwords. Click the three dots next to Saved Passwords. Choose Export Passwords. Chrome will warn you that this file can be seen by anyone who accesses it. Click Export again. It'll ask for your Windows or Mac login password to confirm. Once verified, you'll get a CSV file with all saved passwords. Step 3. Store it safely. This file is not encrypted, so don't leave it lying around. Save it on an encrypted drive. Use a password manager like Bitwarden or 1Password to import the file. Then delete the CSV from your computer if you're done. If this guide helped, like and subscribe. We've got more privacy and security guides just like this coming soon. If you found this video helpful, give it like and hit subscribe button and press bell icon for more tech videos like that. And if you faced any issue, you can comment down in comment section. I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.